Colombian superstar J Balvin has once again sparked excitement in the sneaker world after debuting a colorful Air Jordan 4 on stage. While the pair he wore has not been officially confirmed for public release, new reports suggest that J Balvin and Jordan Brand are preparing a different Air Jordan 4 collaboration set to launch in fall 2026. This upcoming version is rumored to be an all-yellow colorway, often referred to as the Lemonade or Triple Lemonade Air Jordan 4. According to sneaker sources, the shoe is expected to feature bright yellow tones throughout, paired with speckled detailing on the midsole, tongue, and heel area. These design elements appear to nod to the classic white cement Air Jordan 4 while adding a bold and modern twist. Unlike the multicolored pair seen on stage, this yellow edition is believed to reflect J Balvin's ongoing theme of self-expression and creative freedom, possibly drawing inspiration from his Colombian roots.